in this season for a lot of these sunflowers. But check this out. This is what the birds at least left me in my own garden. They left me. This is what sunflower seeds look like. You can see where the birds took a lot off of, but there's still a lot on here. If you're in a desert climate and you're not growing sunflower seeds, I don't know why not. If you like sunflower seeds, maybe get some roasted, make a ranch or a barbecue flavor. The thing is, they will come back every season. These seeds will scatter and get everywhere. But I have a nice amount on here. I think they'd be delicious. Or you can make an oil. I don't know. I'm gonna look into all this. Let's grow.